Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some happy mail to share with you, and this is coming from Eve Ara, our good friend from YouTube and Instagram, and we are swapping snippets. If you guys watched our live with Louisa, My Crafty Boutique, we were all working on our snippets, and I don't know, somehow we agreed to swap snippets, and this is already here. Eve, honey, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm a little behind on my projects. I do have my snippet that's ready for sharing. It's right here, but I have one more, and I want to get them all made up and sent out to you guys, so they're all sent at the same time. But look at this. If you guys don't follow Eve, she's Eve Ara 101 on Instagram. And look at this beautiful snippet that she shared with us. Look at that. So this is the snippet piece. I'm going to take it out of the plastic. And she put it on this beautiful card. Oh, it's a note on the back. How cute. Let me read it real quick. Yes, guys. So YouTube, she's Eve Ara. And I'll show you her info right there. And IG, it's Eve Ara 101. Beautiful label. Oh my gosh. So let me get this open so we can see our snippet a lot better. What a gorgeous card. And look at the beautiful dangle. She added some chain with the butterfly. And she has pink chain, you guys. This is the snippet. And she just tacked it with a very little bit of glue just so it stays on the card. And her card is beautiful. And she's got heart doilies and some pearls, some little heart things here. Oh my gosh, buttons and ribbon and lace trim, and that's what it is all about. Oh my gosh, look at that. And she has some organza here. Very pretty. Oh my gosh, these flowers. She's also got paper flowers and silk flowers and even crochet flowers right here. Super pretty. Oh my gosh, Eve, this is gorgeous. And she has another dangle down here, and it has a little heart with a teeny tiny little bead. Excuse my fingers. I was just on another Wacky Wednesday live with Louisa. This is gorgeous. Look at the pearls, all the laces, the gold. Beautiful. And then I just want to show the card real quick. And oh, it's a repositionable dots. How cute. Look at her stamp in the background. She's got the butterflies, flowers. She's got some zigzag stitching on here. I think this is Chiquita. I don't know if it is 100% Chiquita's paper, the pink, because Chiquita's doing a lot of dyed papers. And then she also added this layer of cheesecloth. How pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that effect. She's got a little touch of glitter on the background, or shimmer. Very, very pretty. Eve, this is gorgeous. And I think we mentioned it on the live today that at least I am going to frame it with the 4 of us, all our snippets all put together. So that's what I'm going to do with mine. But she also sent me, what? Look at this gorgeous trim. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Oh my goodness, Eve. You guys, look at this. That's a beautiful black trim. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. Look at that. Wow, thank you. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. And then they have this one. It has a little bit of beading on this one. Wow, Eve. There's so much. Wow. Look at that. How pretty. Oh my gosh. Girl. I love it. Love it, love it. And then she has this one. Oh my gosh. There's a little bit of shimmer on this, on the flower, if you could see it. It's a very faint shimmer. Yeah, you could see that. So delicate. Beautiful. Ooh, it's stretchy. Ooh. Thank you. And look at this fishing fishing trim. Look at those peacock eyelet. I don't know what to call it, but it's pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Wow. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love it. Thank you, Eve. And then she sends me white and iridescent. What is, oh, look at that. Wow. Wow. Just beautiful. Oh, that is so pretty. Mermaid. I could see a fish tail out of this. Oh my goodness. It's got that pattern of the iridescent in the background, and then it's covered in that beautiful sequin. And then a snippet. You get it? Snippet. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 Eve. Girl, you give me so much. What in the world? Look at the white with the pearls. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. Wow. Love it. So stunning. These are gorgeous. And then this is the white version of that black lace that she shared with me. It also has some shimmer and it's stretchy. So pretty. Oh gosh. Girly spoiled me. Spoiled. Look at this with the roses. My goodness. Wow. She gave me a nice size chunk right there. That is so pretty. Thank you, Eve. And then she has this. Look at the flower. Oh my gosh. There's a little bit of sparkle to that thread right there. A little bit. And I believe this is elastic too. Oh yeah, stretchy. I don't want to stretch it, but it's so pretty. So pretty, Eve. Wow. Look at this one. That is a thick trim. Wow. This beautiful. And it's stretchy. Oh my goodness, girl. Thank you so much. You were only supposed to send me your snippets, silly girl. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I appreciate you sharing that with me. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Eve Ara on YouTube and Eve Ara 101 on Instagram. So if you guys want to follow her, please, I will leave her link down below. And if you let her know that you're checking her out, because this is gorgeous. She does beautiful work, and I'm so happy to have got to meet her and get to know her and craft with her. It's just been so much fun. She's such a cheerful, lovely soul. I love it. And I can't wait to craft some more with you, Eve. It's been so much fun. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.